welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and great and amazing and fantastic. So for today's video, I thought why not create something which is very simple and also my go-to makeup look. So we are gonna do this makeup with minimal products, only 4 products. So yes, before we start the video, I would like to request you all to please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button which is just near that subscription button, okay, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ अपलोड करूँ आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ पाए. तो let's start the video now. So as we know, before we should start our makeup, we should always moisturize our face. And I've already moisturized my face pretty well. You know, it's like properly moisturized. Okay. And yes, before we start our makeup, I would like to give you a tip. आप जब भी अपना makeup start करो, उससे आप at least 15 minutes पहले अपने skin को properly moisturize कर लो, ताकि जो भी आपका मॉइस्चराइज़र है वो आपके स्किन में अच्छे से अंदर पेनेट्रेट हो जाए, ताकि आपका जो भी मेकअप आप करने वाले हो वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहे एंड वो केकी नहीं लगे एंड फ्लेकी भी नहीं लगे. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई एम नॉट गोना यूज एनी फाउंडेशन टुडे बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल मेकअप लुक. आई विल जस्ट यूज माई कंसीलर. आई एम यूजिंग द Maybelline New York concealer. Okay, I'll just use a tiny amount, like literally very less. You can just use it in any place where you have got a little pigmentation. Yeah, that's it for me. Okay, so yes, I'll blend it with my finger itself because I want the makeup to look very natural. So yes, the base is pretty much done now. Now we will move to the second product, that is an mascara, which I actually love because I've got very tiny lashes, ठीक है, जो कि शायद दिखती भी नहीं है, I feel. So yes, if you are one of me, then please do use a mascara. Always start putting a mascara from the roots. एकदम अपने आई लैशेज़ के रूट से आप मस्कारा लगाना शुरू करें. ऐसा नहीं कि बस ऊपर ऊपर लगा दिया तो आपको कोई प्रॉपर लाइक आपकी आई लैशेज़ बड़ी लगेंगी ही नहीं. तो ऑलवेज ट्राई कि आप एकदम रूट से स्टार्ट करो. You can also put it in your lower lashes, but yeah, be very careful. Now we will go to our eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade black. You can also go for a lighter shade, that is brown, in case your eyebrows are a little light. So the fourth product will definitely be a lipstick because it can be used in so many ways, as a lip tint, as a blusher. You can also use it on your, what is it called, yaar? So the fourth product will definitely be a lipstick because it can be used in so many ways. Like it has got multiple uses. You can use it as a lipstick itself and also a lip tint and also your blusher and also for a little eyeshadow kind of a effect. Okay, so yeah, let's use it. So I have two options with me. One lipstick is from Faces and the other one is from Nykaa. I think I'll be going with this because it's quite peachy and it's just going with my top. So yeah, I haven't sharpened it, so yeah. Okay, I'll just be using it as a lip tint because the idea is to be super natural. We'll also be using as a blusher. I've just taken a little bit on my finger and yeah, there we go. And guess what, it's done. So yeah, you can simply see how cute and natural is this makeup looking. Like my skin is looking so glowy and like so good. And trust me, minimal products ही इंसान को use करने चाहिए एक daily basis में, अगर आप use कर भी रहे हो तो. But yeah, if there's some function and stuff, then you can definitely go overboard. So yeah, that's how it looks now. For teenagers, trust me, this is the best makeup look you can spot this Diwali, because teenagers पे ना ज़्यादा makeup अच्छा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता, वो अपनी age से थोड़े ज़्यादा ही बड़े लगने लग जाते हैं. So I feel teenagers should use definitely like minimal products. But yes guys, do use a mascara. Mascara can make a whole lot of difference. It can literally pop up your eyes from nothing to like something. So yeah, go for it. Before I leave, I would like to give you all a bonus tip. Okay, सो इट इज़ दैट सबके पास आई लैश कलर नहीं होता, लाइक बिगनर्स के पास तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. ठीक है, सो आप क्या कर सकते हो ना, ये भगवान ने जो आपको ये उंगलियां दी है ना, जस्ट यूज़ इट. जस्ट टेक दिस एंड अपने आंखों को बंद कर लीजिए लाइक दिस. जस्ट होल्ड इट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स and just see the difference. It's actually looking like you have curled your lashes. So now I'm signing off finally. See you next time. Bye.